Welcome to our channel, where we explore the latest updates and features on WhatsApp Web. Today, we're going to show you how to reply to someone's story using stickers on WhatsApp Web on your PC. This new update makes interacting with your friends and family even more fun and engaging. First, let's get started by opening WhatsApp Web on your computer. Simply navigate to the WhatsApp Web URL and scan the QR code using your mobile device to sync your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see the familiar interface of WhatsApp on your PC. Now, let's head over to the status section. You can find this on the left side menu. Click on it, and you'll see all the recent status updates from your contacts. Browse through them until you find the one you want to reply to. Once you've found the status you want to respond to, click on it to open it. You'll see the status media, whether it's a photo or a video. Below it, you'll find a text input field where you can type your response. But today, we're going to use something more expressive: stickers. To reply with a sticker, click on the sticker icon next to the text input field. This will open up a whole library of stickers you can choose from. Browse through them, pick the one that best expresses your reaction, and click on it to send. It's that simple. Using stickers to reply to stories is a great way to add some personality to your responses. Whether you're expressing excitement, humor, or just a simple hello, stickers can convey emotions in a way that text alone can't. Plus, it's a fun way to engage with your friends and family, making your interactions more lively and enjoyable. That's it for today's tutorial. We hope you found this helpful and are now ready to spice up your WhatsApp interactions with stickers. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on using WhatsApp Web.